Hey guys, in Blender today. What are we going to do into Blender today? We're going to have a look at making a character in about probably 10-15 minutes. Won't be rigged, but you can take it to mixamo and log in with an account there and use their auto rigger. All you got to do is point to the points, and if you make this character, you can literally you know where the points are because you made it. So let's focus. And what we're not going to do is delete the default cube. I'm going to shift an A and add a reference image, but not before I've gone into front view. Reference image, and we can go and find the reference image. Ooh, not in there, obviously. It is in here, and we want the front view first of all, and we want to G and Z to bring that up into line there. These I've modelled before, but you can use a pre-made drawing, just literally draw a head and a body shape. We'll get into this in more detail in a moment. And that's slightly off centre as well, so we need to move it on the X slightly as well there. There we go. Let's go to the side view and shift an A and add another image reference. Let's hit the side one this time. And that looks to be smack on right that way, so let's G and Z to bring it up on the line with the Y axis there. Okay, so there we go. Let's go back in the front view and click on our cube and go to edit mode, and we're not going to delete it. We are going to go to Alt and M and merge at the center, and then what you'll see is we have GZ is we have a little dot. And we want to leave that around the groin area, around there. So first of all, we want to extrude up on the Z axis, probably about to there to start. Extrude again on the Z axis to the chin, and extrude again on the Z axis to the head. Now I'm going to redo that and move my image up a little bit and use the G tool to move my already extruded vertice up to the just above the head there.
Auto shutdown initiated.
I'm now going to extrude out one side of the arm on the Z axis. Oops, sorry, not the Z axis, the X axis. And I want to come to the shoulder there and extrude on the X axis to the elbow about there, and extrude again on the X axis to the hand of the hand about there. Probably going to have to move all of these up a little bit because they aren't central, and I'm probably going to have to move that central vertice there at some point in the middle as well. So what we want to do now is extrude out to about where you'd call the knee, extrude down to on the Z axis to about where the ankle would be, and extrude down again to about where the foot would be, about there. So now this looks okay for the moment. Let's get some modifiers on here.
Powering off.
And we want a mirror modifier to start that off, and that's not mirroring. It will mirror in a moment, I'm not sure. There we go, it's just hidden. It's just in the image. It is mirroring. Optical illusions, don't you just love them? Then we want a skin modifier on there and come out of edit mode obviously, and then we want a control and 2, and that applies a subdivision modifier of 2. So yeah, doesn't look much like a character at the moment. I know. Let's go into wireframe mode and the see-through mode, and what you can see is if we go back into edit mode, we go control and A, and we can bring that in a little bit. It's GZ and bring it down so it matches. And again G, control and A to bring that in a little bit more. I think we're probably going to want to bring this up quite a bit here. Yeah, that looks about right there. And again this probably wants to come up. I'm GZing to bring them up. Control and A to move that out and give it some more shape. It's looking quite nice there. Let's bring that one out, G and A. Pops it about there. Let's GZ. Do we bring that up anymore? Nah, that's close enough, I think. Maybe we can bring that up a little bit. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Let's control and A that out a little bit. That's a little better. moving up. And the arms are looking a little, well, they're looking very fat, to be quite honest. Let's go Control and A and bring that down. That's nicely done there. Control and A, bring that down in line to about there. And this one as well, Control and A. Probably want to bring this. Oh, actually I think we might need to add an extra vertex in here. And what we do is we do that, right click and bring up the subdivide menu. And then we can Control and A and that. No, maybe not. G, Z, maybe bring that down a bit. That looks about right. That looks better. Let's Control and A, bring that out a little bit. Looks good there. It looks a bit fat here. I probably need to GX and bring that to about then. Control and A and bring it in. Oh, maybe not. It's all about adjusting and playing with what you need. It might be that I actually need to bring this right up here, and this needs to come down a little. And we can Control and A and bring. Nope, not that one, obviously. Control A and bring that in. Well, let's get the head. We'll worry about this and clean this up in a minute, because we haven't got the head at the moment. I do know we're going to need another vertex up here. So let's right click and subdivide there. And let's Control and A this one out to get sort of the shape of the head. And I'm more certain that needs to come down a bit more now. Down a bit more. Control and A to bring that in. Control G and wow, what did we hit there? Whatever it is, we want to undo that. GZ. Bring that down a little bit more. Let's bring that down a little further, I think we can. There we go. Now we're starting to get there. Control and A, bring that out. Okay, so we're looking to getting towards starting to be good. Can we bring that down a bit further? Yeah, we can. Can we bring that up a little bit? That looks fairly good to me. We'll check the side view. Yeah, we might want to Control and A that only on the Y direction. Just to, oh, that's close enough, I think. And maybe bring this one up a bit further and Control and A on just the Y. I don't know that that's doing some weird stuff. I think that's close enough for now. Let's get rid of these images here and come out into solid view and into without the view there, and out of edit mode might be a good idea. And let's just shade. We can't shade smooth yet because we haven't applied. So let's apply the mirror modifier, apply the skin modifier, and apply the subdivision modifier, and then shade smooth. A little bit of an issue there. Didn't want to shade smooth for us, but there we go. Let's actually focus on. We have everything selected. That is why. Little cravat there that we didn't notice. We had everything selected. We must have hit the A key and selected everything. So there you have it. You have a base character. Oh, one more thing I did forget to do. What we can do is grab that edge loop there by Alt and grabbing the loops and pressing Shift and plus, Control and plus. You can select the head and maybe that one there as well. And F3 and type 2 sphere without a caps lock on. To sphere. There it was. You need space. And you pull away, you can get the head looking a little bit better. There we go. And you can take that to mixamo, export it as an FBX, sorry. And yeah, the auto rigger will take care of everything. It's a little bit messy here, but you can probably tidy that up. Thanks for watching.